Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Majestic Cypress. This painting that I did today is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Andy Cormier. I have a benefit for my Patreon members whereby every now and again I'll put out a call for photos. They'll submit them. I will take some of those and turn them into YouTube tutorials, and as a thank you I'll send the original painting off to whoever submitted the photo. So if you are interested in watching the full-length version of this tutorial or learning how you could submit your photos to me to turn into YouTube tutorials, and or learn more about the Patreon membership program where you get to enjoy a bunch of other benefits that will help you to increase your artistic and painting skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a really cool tree sunset scene. And I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.